Welcome to US Car Review. In the world of luxury motorhomes, a new standard has emerged, one that seamlessly fuses cutting-edge technology with uncompromising style. The futuristic GMC Motorhome before us is not merely a vehicle, it is an experience, a statement of ambition and elegance that commands attention from the moment it enters a room. With its sleek, silver metallic finish, the bodywork gleams under studio lights, reflecting a mastery of craftsmanship that hints at the level of precision invested in every detail. The full body design is sculpted with aerodynamics in mind, allowing the motorhome to exude not just sophistication but also performance-inspired flair. Every curve, every line, and every contour has been thoughtfully designed to balance aesthetics with functional efficiency, resulting in a silhouette that is both imposing and graceful. At the front, the GMC Motorhome makes an immediate impression. The chrome grille, polished to a mirror-like finish, proudly bears the iconic GMC logo, asserting brand heritage while signaling a commitment to modern innovation. The grille itself is more than a decorative element, it is a testament to bold design thinking, offering an aggressive yet refined face that defines the motorhome's character. Flanking this centerpiece are the high-intensity LED headlights, seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, offering not only exceptional illumination but also a signature visual identity that will make this vehicle recognizable even from afar. The LED light strips running along the sides of the motorhome elevate the design further, providing a futuristic glow that accentuates the vehicle's length and creates a dramatic play of light and shadow across its metallic surface. The wheels of this GMC marvel deserve special mention. The custom chrome multi-spoke rims are engineered not just for aesthetics but for maximum durability and ride quality. Each spoke is meticulously crafted, catching light at every angle, adding an element of kinetic beauty even when the motorhome is stationary. These wheels anchor the vehicle to the ground, reinforcing the sense of stability and power that permeates the entire design. Paired with the low-profile, high-performance tires, they promise a smooth and controlled ride, whether cruising along a serene highway or navigating urban landscapes. Moving along the side profile, the large tinted windows create a striking contrast against the silver body, combining elegance with privacy and comfort. The tinting is not purely cosmetic, it reflects an intelligent approach to energy efficiency, helping regulate interior temperatures and reduce glare while maintaining unobstructed outward visibility. Inside, one can imagine the panoramic views these windows would provide, offering a connection to the outside world while enveloped in the cocoon of luxury that defines the interior. The integration of bright LED light strips along the sides further emphasizes the vehicle's futuristic persona, turning it into a beacon of modern design and innovation when viewed from any angle. The interior of this GMC motorhome, while not directly visible in this studio setting, is expected to mirror the sophistication of its exterior. Drawing inspiration from high-end automotive interiors, it likely combines premium materials, ergonomic design, and advanced technology to create a living space that is both luxurious and functional. One can envision plush leather seating, ambient lighting options, smart climate control, and state-of-the-art infotainment systems, all designed to enhance comfort during extended journeys. Storage solutions are probably seamlessly integrated, allowing travelers to carry essentials and luxuries alike without compromising the aesthetic flow of the interior. From a technological standpoint, this motorhome is undoubtedly equipped with features that reflect the future of mobility. Advanced driver assistance systems, real-time navigation, automated parking sensors, and possibly semi-autonomous driving capabilities transform long trips from chores into a leisurely, enjoyable experience. Connectivity is key, with high-speed internet, integrated smart home systems, and customizable digital displays ensuring that occupants remain connected, entertained, and informed, no matter where the journey takes them. The synergy between technology and design creates an environment that is as intuitive as it is luxurious, catering to both the practical needs and the aspirational desires of modern travelers. In terms of performance, the futuristic GMC motorhome is likely engineered to deliver an unparalleled driving experience for its class. While traditional motorhomes prioritize comfort over agility, this concept strikes a balance between smooth, stable cruising and responsive handling. Its aerodynamic design, combined with a robust chassis and advanced suspension system, ensures that every mile traveled is both comfortable and confident. Engine options, possibly hybrid or fully electric in line with contemporary trends, would provide both power and efficiency, demonstrating a commitment to sustainability without sacrificing the hallmark GMC strength and reliability. The motorhome's low center of gravity, combined with precise weight distribution, promises stability on highways and in urban settings alike, making long-distance travel a pleasurable endeavor rather than a logistical challenge. The sensory experience offered by this motorhome extends beyond sight and performance. The tactile pleasure of high-quality materials under fingertips, the subtle hum of an advanced propulsion system, and the controlled acoustics within the cabin all contribute to a refined atmosphere. Every touchpoint has been thoughtfully considered, from door handles and control panels to seating surfaces and storage compartments, reflecting a philosophy that prioritizes human interaction with the vehicle as much as the vehicle's visual appeal. The result is a motorhome that feels alive, responsive, and intimately connected to its occupants, transforming every journey into a memorable event. Safety, naturally, remains a paramount concern in the design of such a high-end motorhome. The integration of cutting-edge sensors, automated braking systems, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation technologies ensures that both driver and passengers enjoy peace of mind, even in challenging driving conditions. Structural integrity is emphasized through reinforced materials and innovative engineering techniques, providing a protective cocoon that balances the vehicle's sleek exterior with uncompromising safety standards. Even the lighting systems play a role in safety, with LED strips and headlights optimized for visibility, making the motorhome both seen and seen by, crucial in low light or adverse conditions. Aesthetically, the GMC motorhome is an artwork in motion, even while stationary. The polished indoor environment of the studio allows the metallic silver finish to reflect light in a dynamic, almost kinetic manner, highlighting the precision of the design. This interplay of reflection and shadow reveals the careful thought behind every panel, every seam, and every accent line. The vehicle commands attention not through ostentation but through the quiet confidence of design excellence, ensuring that it remains timeless even as automotive trends evolve. For enthusiasts and casual observers alike, the GMC motorhome represents more than transport. It embodies a vision of modern luxury, engineering mastery, and lifestyle aspiration. It appeals to those who value not just where they go, but how they experience the journey. The marriage of aesthetics, performance, technology, and comfort ensures that every aspect of ownership is elevated, turning ordinary travel into a statement of individuality and sophistication. The concept challenges conventional notions of what a motorhome can be, pushing the boundaries of design and innovation to create a vehicle that is both a practical solution and a work of art. One cannot overlook the environmental consciousness inherent in modern automotive design, and this futuristic GMC motorhome likely embraces sustainability alongside luxury. High-efficiency powertrains, eco-friendly materials, and energy-saving technologies converge to minimize the environmental footprint while maintaining premium performance. Such an approach reflects an understanding that luxury and responsibility are not mutually exclusive. Rather, they coexist to create a forward-thinking vehicle that is attuned to the needs of both the occupant and the planet. The user experience, from boarding to operation, has been thoughtfully considered. Entry points are likely designed for ergonomic ease, accommodating a range of passenger mobility needs without compromising style. Interior layouts balance communal spaces and private areas, ensuring that social interactions, rest, and work can coexist harmoniously. Every detail, from the positioning of controls to the tactile feedback of switches, contributes to an intuitive interface, allowing occupants to engage with the vehicle seamlessly. This meticulous attention to human-centered design ensures that the GMC motorhome is not just a mode of transport but a companion on the road, enhancing every moment spent within its confines. Innovation extends to connectivity and smart integration. The motorhome's interior systems are likely connected to mobile applications and cloud-based services, allowing users to monitor performance, control environmental settings, and access entertainment or navigation tools remotely. Such integration transforms the vehicle into a mobile ecosystem, blurring the lines between automotive design and digital lifestyle. Passengers can enjoy streaming media, smart lighting adjustments, or climate control with simple commands, creating a personalized environment that adapts to their preferences. In conclusion, the futuristic GMC motorhome on display is a triumph of contemporary automotive design. Its striking silver metallic exterior, prominent chrome accents, sculpted body lines, and luminous LED elements create an unforgettable visual identity. Beneath its aesthetic appeal lies a vehicle designed for comfort, safety, performance, and intelligent connectivity, reflecting a holistic approach to luxury mobility. Every element, from the wheels to the windows, from lighting to interior features, speaks to meticulous attention to detail, forward-thinking design, and a commitment to excellence. This motorhome is more than a vehicle, it is a manifestation of aspiration, technological progress, and lifestyle ambition. It challenges conventional boundaries, offering an immersive, sophisticated experience that transforms the way we perceive travel. For those who seek the pinnacle of modern motorhome design, the GMC concept stands as a beacon of innovation, elegance, and unparalleled craftsmanship, setting a benchmark that others will strive to meet in the years to come. Please like and subscribe for more videos.